Looking for a reliable way to connect your HDMI device to a VGA monitor or projector? This HDMI to VGA adapter with audio delivers crisp video up to 1920 by 1200 resolution and clear sound through a 3.5 mm stereo port. It's plug and play, no drivers needed, and includes a micro USB port if extra power is required. Whether you're using a laptop, MacBook Pro, Raspberry Pi, or streaming device, this compact converter ensures smooth compatibility. It's perfect for presentations, digital signage, or any setup needing HDMI to VGA conversion. If that's you, this adapter is worth a look.